tangent mat. So do one thing, this perpendicular, right click and here one option suppress. Now see it is moving. Now this perpendicular is mute, which we studied in our previous tutorial. Now we will create one, just rotate, and we will see what exactly the tangent mat. So select mat, layer, and here see this is tangent. So now we will create a tangent mat between two bodies. Now select this face. Now this circular portion we want to make tangent on this face. So just click. Now see this face is tangent with this face. You can make reverse, forward, it's up to you. And even you can assign here directly the distance. If you don't like, you can keep any gap between these two tangents. Select direct tangent. Select OK. OK. Now just rotate. See, this circular surface is tangent with this face. So this is called tangent mat. It is very useful. See, it is rotating on this surface. It is very useful tool in SolidWorks.